Alright, first ride test with the new tube in this rear tire. Like I said before, the stock tube is 20 by 4.5/5.0. The tube I found on Amazon is 20 by 4.0. So it should be compatible according to things I've read, and also Bryson confirmed it's definitely interchangeable. It's filled up to 25.5 psi. Let's do a quick ride. Not bad. I think it'll be fine with this tube in here. Things are riding pretty smoothly. I do need to adjust that rear brake caliper. It's touching a bit on the rotor. That should be fine. Maybe shift it to the left a little bit. Alright, keep riding, head home. Alright, I think it's holding tire pressure pretty good. Not any unusual wobbles, a lot of road bumps, but took it up to high speed. Only at 75% battery, so close to 38-40 miles an hour, and felt pretty smooth. You probably noticed me bouncing on the suspension for the rear. I got that new 250 to 350 pound rear shock, so good amount of spring and rebound, good travel. One quick burst and head home. Might be a little bit of wobble on one end of the tire. I think the rubber is a little bit off, but that's just probably from it being flat. I'm hoping eventually it'll even out, but good enough for riding.